Isaac Edia or say my mama chiano pay some ho ye o nyame adom Isaac ya ho ye pa ya gidi so ho ye papa. All right, inti omo do message ba ya e fa de ye wa ha no ho no e na mabobbo so de amabo no o de ne mfa de ye ka ho asem wa ha no mo a se na maka no mi so mu na mato atwene dustbin ni mu e kire ho din bonsi e kira yi din na je se ye toa so e de amamo e ba cho nso betimi de o de aba fa o de fa bra ba bia ye duru sisi ya na ya henkan woda chinti ne de toa so nti fa o de fa bra na ye kenkan emfa ema wo woda chinti na sene de bia ya na ye kan e de kire wo no woda chinti ne ye obra akwantuo emu afutuo empani se wokoto se obi a kire ne ba hyedem na otunefo na se woni futufo a mpacho ugina prono na chi na watie bi na onso so ode abọ wo bra so wate ase na se wutie afutuo no na ode tu koto dwemu a ebia na yare sasabro se me maame it wan hwe ya na 3940 na ba utie na wode tu tirimu keke nso a empani se menkom tirim epro eni nti se da utirimu anya dwuma na mom utie a na wode tu anamon dachia semunti tie na fatu anamon na mfa so mra so emfa mawo eni nti odachinti e yo bra kwantuo mu afutuo a ye de tuye nyina ye ho fo enra yesua se eye nyabotre na mu ani na ho sense enye siriye nyina ene ye odo siriye ni bi wo no na o siri a kire wo no de ayiwa ma o siri a kire wo na wa ma wiase nyina hunu se wo no wo pe wadi ubone no nanso so enam se unie ni nti eni nti na no Judas asem o ka kire enkrofo yi omkoto nyankopon ne ba Yesu so were no o se mekwa ne mekọ ne nchen a mesri a kire no na mafi no na no makisi no nti wo sri a kire no e we op masem o na unnim se waka kire enkrofo ne se ne mekọ a mesri a kire no no ne mekọ a menwene a kire no no menwene smile a kire no no ono ena mi yi na ma eni nti nra ye ka kire wo se enya siriye nyinara ena ye odo eni nti ya no mo ani ada ho papa siriye ni bi wo no a na ye di yiwa ma siriye ni bi nso eye ujam siriye o hewa ni mu a na wasire nanso oyi na ni to nchen ya na wodi watem eni nti ya no mo ani ada ho ene nso so de ne ye de ka ho obra kwantuo ene ne ye de ka ho ye se develop a passion for learning. If you do, you will never cease to grow. Develop a passion for learning. Don't stop learning. Every single day, see the day, say it is an opportunity for you to learn a different thing. Don't stop learning. Menyai addition. Adichinye biara e wo se usua de we America no eyo bi se ofa book na wo de ato ani mu akenkan kwan na ya adisua da bi ade chi ade sane wo se usua biribi wa abrabo ni mu sua se enra na ye dwoda na ye dwoda no emma bie mu da e wasase so e dwoda de obetimi ahia dwoda biem nanso so se wo be hia e dwoda ewo ahini me bosumi mu ewo afim pimienu ne aduonu baako mu no eye 25th no emabiem nanso ubetimi ahia dwoda foforo enti dwoda we na wuhia ye nnora no ede na wusua wo mu enioma be na koyie de na nkoyie enti dwoda biem a wosan be hia no okaye a wo be sere asu ana okaye a den na wo be ye obra kwantuo ene ye say don't stop learning. Develop a passion. Be ready to learn. Be ready to be corrected. So we am from so na ye twa adwen si so a yes, gitum na sua bibi frim. Develop that passion. Always be you are ready to learn new things. If you do that, you will never cease to grow. Debia ubenyini from onipa bia ompa disua no debia bon so to papa so because oni any life experience I will betimi a share with you, but o present wo ho say I am ever ready to learn new things. Whatever I come across with, I will make sure that I devote even the last minute I have to learn something out of it. Don't just let the day come and pass by, but seize the day, learn something out of the day, and trust me, you will never cease to grow. The bia ubenyini, because unya experience wa adie mu a o ye bie mu a ekwan a wo fa so ye ne kane no onye ne saa biom. Yemfa ne se utwam wo kwan mu. Ekwan na utwam no amana donko bi wo kwan ni mu. Da edi kan a wo kofa kwan no so na wonni mu kwan no. Eni nti wuduru ho no oto amena ni mu. Eno nkyere se da amena ni mu o. Sunya se okay, ena se kura na mama hu se abrabo kwan no yenam so no eduru ba bi a wo to amena mu. Enti ene se kane no na medimirika ena na me kwa sesei no meto me bo se ne be ya amena bi e wo ekwan mu no mehunu na meduru ho a mantom. Develop a passion. Sunya de a driver for bebre aba mpa de sunya. A driver for bi mpa de sunya o. Zebra crossings ne all the road signs say what kwan so no. Obi ni mo. But just say enticle ne da say one day there mekwa ko pemu asem abisa. Road signs say what kwan so obi nim obi ho no out of frustrations. And ama will drive a car no car ni nya de ane no nka na wo ye. But out of frustrations na adwuma bi afiri won sane ne omanoma bi nti ama wabɔ awura mu a usua ka atwi anase utwi ka eye yesi adwuma bɔne ente se kro no bɔ nteye nkakra me wogide se awurade obɛdane wo story no ama ɛbɛyɛ adansedi ama nipa nyina nanso so kopem ɛbra utwi ka ne de ɛwɔ se usua the nitty gritty of driving. I was saying, all the road signs, develop a passion to learn. Learn them. So you see that breast with the work you do, and whenever you speak wisdom. Whenever you speak sense. But what I say, you become on top of the job. And the moment you become on top of the job, you see that whenever you are called to come and deliver, you murder it without any hesitations. And you never cease to learn. Driver, learn all the road signs. Teacher, learn all the principles. Lawyer, don't stop learning. Every day we get contemporary laws. Learn them so that you become abreast with them. When you go to court, you don't go and fumble. When you go to court and you are defending a case, because you continuously learn. You know what you are about to. Your lawyer sidi bi wo no mo o kokoduru court wa. Send your radio presenter. You don't come sit on air and you be, throwing just tantrums, hearsays, hiding behind people, saying all sorts of things. Even when you don't even know the rules of engagement of it. Learn. Develop a passion to learn. Sunyade uyo kuyani afi etwa mu no eno baye na wudua ye no ba ko bi wo mu a eso bebre ka bibi a kire wo kire wo say next season no e wo say wo san dua sa dua ba ko na eso bebre no so what ase ye wadua ba ni bi wo no ma wudua ye no ewu ntam ubisa ho de nti ewu ntam uhwehwe mu usua ye enti okay when sua ya afia sa duru ha ye kodo yi enti wo ba ne dan yawo aduaba ni bi wo no mu asase na okuku dua wo so no ebi kwa na asase ne mpesa aduaba na se aduaba ne mpesa asase no eni tina wudua na ehye ye no ebi nso anhye but amo akese ubisa mu like uhwehwe mu usua de enti a eba asa yei obra kwantu mu afutuo ni egusu tie no emu nkomo obra kwantu mu nkomo de doso nti bacho adwuma bi a wo ye seso sesa provision store no wabie o first stock a we ye who say there was a particular product bi a eno de 1 week bi a esa 1 week bi a ka bi a kire wo say sa product ne nkrofo ani je ho eni ti say wo ko market nim na ofa 10 a e wo say ofa 20. Learn. Develop a passion for learning. If you do, you will never cease to grow. Afobon say ade na etai san bebre no ye beba bia bi wo ho but ade no wo de ba ye to no akọ nkokwasa no akọfa 10 pe de aba na san na still ankrofo ba anti adwo bi wo ho ebi ni wo anti adwo bi wo ebi ni wo and next time obi wo bi kwampa ye ma because ehye yetiri mu say wo be ko ekura be ka so oni bi adwuma bi a wo ye bia no always learn develop passion for learning. Oh, your software. That is why I keep saying, say, Munyai sa media yamfaman school, no. Everything is possible under this earth. There is nothing that you can never improve upon unless you tell me, say, you are not ready. Everything, every fears of our lives, we can improve upon it if you avail yourself for that. If you psych your thinking and your mind. If you tune your mind to say you can make amends, you can change things, and things can be better, you can do that. Who told you that you can't make things work right or things work the way you want it? You can do that. Into a software, say a former informal education cranoa mancrofo awomo echo manimu no chiribi tenase. Na mane mfa wo mfa niamam so ate ase mane mfa wo mfa niamam wan ka kire wo say ebire bi kura beba ma say social media will be all over, and now even some of the pastors are switching to Zoom. Coronavirus ba ye asofo ni bebere no omo ye asoro wo Zoom into te ho. You don't want to learn, you don't have passion for learning. All the answer say medium ye kura asofo and into no no. But envision yourself to be an international preacher. And you don't just envision it, but you work. It requires what? Work. Even God's favor requires man's labor. If you don't know. Work. Me also for the am yusu also for Nicholas Duncan Papa no wan school though. But say obi anka ne story and trewa. You will never know so anko school da ade bia ni asase we so a se wo pese wo sesa no wuntumi ade se bia waka jon so nsesa no enti papa sofo jai se wo ka chem se be manko school na mo ko school why na ko school ye wo bia wa ko school ba pem na wonte boyin wa ko school wo wiase nyina na so wonte boyin enti onso so you can do something to change your own life osofo pewobi say ye brofro no ntumi nkan a pewobi na on hya se mfa wo mfa for informal education mun kakran when be ba won so no so ye perfect osofo Duncan Nicholas Duncan Williams bishop archbishop ankasa on school no ankobi but ene oka brofo a professors ene chirem oka brofo a doctors ene chirem, and when he speaks you could feel say there is power and knowledge. It's nothing that you can change or improve upon in this world. Mema o current situation in hunhunam en kan kire me say me de me ye no hwe enyi wan ka kire wo bibie ne wono asase so ka se obeye ni yi anyi ebe yi gina wo so nti ya di sie no obra kwantuo mu afutuo ni mu nkoma no pay say develop a passion for learning. If you do, you will never cease to grow. Every single day learn a new thing. See the day as an opportunity for you to learn a different thing. And trust me, you will never cease to grow. You will continue to grow. And you will flourish. Oh yes, you will flourish. Trust me. Your leaves will blossom. A mind blowing. Present yourself for something good. Na adumura. Ongu anyone say. Obemwa yeke say. Ebeya dance die. Amen. All right, so some 43 minutes after 8 live on Ankara 3.3 FM. What that chinti and the twegu sisi ano. Koswa na for wadwen fabra 0594 841 044 0594 841 044. Which means that for normal SMS and also say WhatsApp. Koyem Facebook page ho na efa comment no egu ho. What the call also the kuku gu ho a yebetimi akenkan no so kama e the amount. I've seen some messages over there. I'll read them in a jiffy, but please stick to the issues we are discussing. If you don't stick to the issues, now one can sound the messages in the bar. Oga, me can you? But I am yasa or the bundle or the credit. And ye, ever do hand kind. Because you don't listen to what we're doing here. UTB or babina, you sending your message for sending sake. Hello. Yeah, yes, sir. Young man, so now, young concobo, young como, yes, young como, Yera Muhammad Gambila, or your president, Edima Motorcycle Riders Association Ghana. Young Konian and Kobo and Como. Yera Muhammad, salamu alaikum. Apo Mako, yeah. Nyamian here mobile no pay. Nyamian here mobile. All right, and I would want to believe we say Okada riders, any Abuboya riders, Matthias